All right, guys, check this out. So all of these Mark 7 Golfs, GTIs, Rs, EA888, whatevers, they're all getting old now. Any EA888 Gen 3 is getting up there in years. So this very well may be an issue that you're going to want to address, whether you replace it with an OEM part or whether you replace it with a different part. When I was taking this apart, I found that this particular cooling line that sits right here, that looks like it, I don't know, I'm guessing, was that feed, I don't know, does it feed the turbo? Whatever it feeds into here. This thing like disintegrated when I took it out, and I think it was already broken, so I don't know where all chunks might have gone, but there, and I had to pull out you know, little strips and chunks of plastic. So I don't know if it's just because this thing got hotter than usual, or if this is something a failure that everybody is most likely to experience. I'd probably lean towards everybody. But that said, I found this EMD Auto, part. So it's aluminum instead of another plastic part. So I'm gonna install that thing in here. Just give this thing a little tiny shot of silicone spray just to kind of lube it up a little bit, and shove it in there. Just like so. But yeah, recommend look into one of these. Again, EMD Auto. Where I got it from. I ordered one for this car. I also ordered one for my Golf R, and I'm gonna replace that as a preventative. So anyway, hope it helps. See you in the next one.